I believe today was a success. We worked on the carriage oiling system. Got our new oilers in. We're gonna get this baby lubed up nice and pretty. Got them in there. Each head block has a set. It is wet here. This one don't seal up too good, but I don't care because it goes on the tracks. I put the bad one on the tracks because I want plenty of oil on it. But I got oil leaking everywhere because I've been monkeying with it. We got the, we had to work on the shimming the wheels. The wheels had not been rolling, but on 2 axles. So we shimmed it, and here's the oilers in the back. It's working too. But it don't put out much, and the back one don't. But the wheels, the track, that's a track. Oh, it's just that they've never been took care of too good. We got that going. So that's good. She shimmed up good. We, Big D come in and helped me a little bit. Had a little issue in the file room. Somebody come in and bumped something and screwed Rick and Ball up. And that's Derek. I said, can you come in and help me better? My big mama called. He said, Derek, can you come in and help us? Well, dadgum retarded. I can't son of a buck. There's just so much to learn in that file room. I got a long ways to go there. Well, we're working at it. Little by little, they're teaching me a few things when they get to second. So I might come in and help Rick and Ball while Monday. You know, he got a band down. I could actually pull the band off the bench and put over there on a grinder for him. Sweet. So I guess what happened is I don't know what we done there. Rick and Ball, if you watch, Derek walked in there and this needle here's in the red. So as you wind around, that starts clicking up. But when you slide it out, it's off so far that you couldn't ever get this side right to go back over that. And Rick and Ball's like, what happened? So we figured that one out. This one here, oh, this is this over complex son of a buck. But it's got some kind of photocell back here. Then when this thing pushes forwards to slide the saw blade up another round, this here has to have 10 pounds of back pressure. And you adjust it with this little screw dad here. It didn't have enough back pressure and it's kind of hammering. Also, we ordered the proximity switch new up in here. Let's see if I can get you all adjusted up in here. There's a proximity switch somewhere. Where you at, driver? Oh, it's up in here behind the van. Probably can't see it. There's a proximity switch in there, and when it's got a long rod, and when it's back, let's see, what would be the purpose? I guess so the rod, so the computer, see, it's a CNC, so it knows that it's made a full stroke and come back. And we thought and it throws a proximity switch error, but so it could be, me and Rick and Ball's on the fence, we think it could be a proximity switch. Although I can't catch it being wrong there. But I'm hoping Monday I'll catch it wrong. But Derek said he's seen that happen to him before. And adjusting this pressure up where it needs to be, it was kind of banging. He said might get us, fix us there. We'll just have to see. So we got that going on, and we've been on hickory, and it's the worst hickory ever. And it's, oh, not only is it old hickory, but it's got nails in it, so it's just killing everybody. So it's killing everybody. I can unload this saw if I'm smart enough. I don't know much, so I can't do much, but we'll unload this saw together as a team because that one's done too. I don't know if this one's done or not. This one's welded on. We'll unload this for Rick and Ball and get over it. Any little bit we can do for Rick and Ball, we're doing, but the problem is he needs somebody way smarter than me to help him out. And I'm all he's got right now. Oh! So me and Fry's won't afraid to touch anything. Oh, come on, Mitchell. Oh. bench section. I learned that. This section is the leveling section. I've learned that so far. Let's see, come on, Tatum. Use your brain. Come on, brain. Come on, brain. Brain. Come on, why has it got to be so difficult? That son of a buck goes in there. Oh. Main thing I don't want to do is bump nothing and screw nothing up. Because this stuff is some precise equipment. I want to be part of the solution, not part of the problem. That's it. This is good. I don't know if I got to pick that up or not. This has got to be up. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, that's why it's not yet. Okay, now we got her. Okay, now we're ready to bring her out. If I've done everything correctly, with no mistakes. All right. See, these guys are slick as all get out. And it's all about the way you do things. There's so much to it, it's ridiculous. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, that's it. Okay. Beautiful. Well, we learned how to load a main drive. The other day, I done a Rickaball, and he does it so quick you can't figure it out. You can't figure out that there's a whole daggone heap of stuff's got to come together to load a band right. I'm just now learning that. But that is cool. Freaking cool. See, you got to lean back like there, and then lean back and kick it on. And that's why you got to get it to where the teeth, you got to get it on your foot and get where the teeth's up above them doodads, and then launch him on there. Well, today's kindergarten lesson, we learned that. Here's new bands, but he's waiting for good wood to bring him bands out. He don't want to bring them out in this day. This hickory, it's killing them out there, them boys. It's got nails in it. Daggone. We're all arguing over which job it even come off of. I kept saying it's a daggone Perry County job, and they say, no, it's not the Perry County job. And I'm like, yes, it has to be the Perry County job. But I guess it ain't. So I don't know what job it even is. Well, son of a buck. Lock the door. How do I do that even? Okay, just push the button in. Weird son of a buck. Now we gotta shut this here rig down so we can go home. So now Peter gave us a rundown of what all we're shutting off in here, which is start with this. Okay. And this. Oh yeah. Oh, that's got the dumper up. Okay, and this. Okay. I assume that's everything. That was already off. Camera stay on. Okay. Them's good cameras. I like them cameras. Look how bright it looks here in the camera. Now look outside. It's actually getting dull outside. And on the cameras are still bright. Well, they go there changing modes now. Tried to set it up to where they don't change so much. But you can, there's only so much you can adjust them back here. So the oiler is done. Look at the mess it made on the floor, peed on the floor. Let me go fill up this oil jug for Pooh for in the morning, because he's gonna top that off in the morning probably, or Monday morning. We're gonna run her till lunch and see if we need to top it off again. But the last task is to go down here and shut off the air compressor. And Pooh taught me this the other day, and he asked me if I remembered, and I said yeah. But I don't remember 100%. So we'll see if I can pull it up. Electrically, everything's been running pretty good lately though. Yeah, except for the T-box. We gotta work on the starter on it. That leak in it. Oh, so it's got the exhaust back here. I don't know what that's about. Kind of advanced petition too. There's just a lot of moving parts in the sawmill. A lot to keep up with. Got a long way to go, driver. A long way to go. Brutus, ready to go. It's gonna be a warm, wet winter around here, they say. Great.